In this short tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted notes on your iPhone. Losing important notes can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can recover them quickly. To get started, open up the Notes app. For the purpose of this video, I am going to delete a note. Now that note is deleted, let me show you how to get it back. Tap Folders at the top left. After that, tap Recently Deleted. Once you are on this page, you'll see all of the notes that you deleted recently. These notes are available here for 30 days, and after that time, notes will be permanently deleted. To recover a note or notes, tap Edit at the top right. Then tap and select the note or notes that you want to recover, and then tap Move at the bottom left. Select the folder where you want these notes to be. And now those selected notes have been recovered. If I go back, you'll see the note I deleted earlier has been restored, and I can access it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.